here at Miller Industries, the world's largest manufacturer of towing products, and we're here to ask, what's so cool about manufacturing?
My name's John Ray. I'm the production manager. What's cool about our process and what we do here at Miller Industries, we are the leading manufacturer of towing equipment in the world. We have the best product line in the marketplace. We're a cutting edge facility. We have robotics. We have very strong and knowledgeable people at our facility. We are a global company.
My name is Josh Trebanowski, and I work on a CNC plasma table here at Miller Industries. I get raw materials from either out of the pit or on the floor, and I put them on my table, and then I determine from a work order what to cut and how many parts I need to cut for each bed. And I do this by programming my machine. I have a little joystick and a camera where I can align plates and make sure the angle of the plate is square with the table. I like the fact that after I get done building a product, I can go out and see it being used and helping people in action.
The coolest thing happening in this facility is our brand new 130-foot, 10-arm robot welder. $3.2 million upgrade to our facility. It's the nicest robot welder you'll find in a three-county area. We take great pride in it. Enhances our ability to produce at a much higher rate. The technology is far and away the best in the area, and we're very proud of our robot welding machine. So what's so cool about manufacturing, in my opinion, is you don't have to go and spend $60,000 on a degree if you don't want to. We're ready for people that want to put in work, be hands-on, use their brain, use the math that they learned in school, whether you want to be a welder, a painter, a mechanic, a robot engineer, plasma burner. We have all those options for you. Come in day one, we'll train you up, get you ready to go, make a living, provide your family.